All right, go ahead.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening
This rectangular box.
this rectangular box that says 900 TriPro.
Ooh, what's in there?
I think it's a WOLFBOX.
Actual wolf?
WOLFBOX.
WOLFBOX, and that's going to replace your current Stonehenge.
No, it does auto dimming. It's high tech.
It does auto dimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that with this thing here?
Yeah.
Little weenus?
Yeah.
Okay. And your front camera, what does that look like? Let's see it.
Oh, you want to see it?
Yeah,
it's
show
good.
me the front camera here.
You're going to like it. It's built into this amber light.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, okay, here, hold this. I'm going to show you my front
I don't
camera.
have one.
Here, come over here. Here. Just video there. Ready? Did I get you?
Got me in my ear. Now I'm gonna have it.
Look at the spray.
Look, I'm dripping down my leg.
I installed that last night.
Just
for
for me.
you. Yeah,
Just
bro.
for
Look
me.
at that little thing, huh? Well, I didn't have enough windshield washer fluid for like a year.
Things like a Super Soaker 5000.
Yeah, I know.
Shit.
I felt bad you might have got it to the eye, but
Yeah, it got me in my ear.
Yeah?
Yeah.
did it go in
Will
here, though?
you get it out for me?
No. All right, so stay tuned.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching.
All right, let's open this thing. Fire it open. What do we got?
What are we opening first? Should we open all the goodies first?
No, open the big guy. Let's see.
the
Yeah.
big Okay.
Like a meat cleaver, dude. Look at that thing.
Yeah. Shout out to Gerber. Maybe you should.
The baby form.
No. maybe you should have them upgrade your pocket knife that you don't carry.
I lost my Coast one. I had the Coast on me. But baby food does.
Holler at Gerber, yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look at that. It's pretty.
Wow, looks got a happy face. Yeah, perfect, Mike. You trying to get me that? Oh, look at that, dude.
It's like a flat screen TV.
Yeah, dude.
4K. Mirror dash camera.
Oh,
I don't want to open it too
wow,
soon.
dude.
I don't want to open it too soon. I'm going to leave it in there for now. What is this thing?
Where's the stand?
What stand?
The camera stand, the little white thing. I put it away? Oh, yeah.
Probably.
Here, hold this. All right, here we go. All right, fire it in there. It's backwards. Are you serious? You're putting it backwards?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What else we got?
All right. Let's see.
I don't even know the right angle here.
What is this?
I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Yeah.
little quick guide, I guess. There's all your buttons. Power button. GPS connector. Rear connector. Front connector.
We needed a bigger table than this. This is not. It's not
Yeah.
a big workstation.
No, because we're gonna go like this. Look. Look
Yeah,
at how
but
much
we
room
don't
we got.
have room to
we got
open
room
up
for
all the stuff.
activities. Let's see.
Sticker back.
There's a sticker pack.
That's what we need to open right now is the sticker pack. Get out of here, dude.
Get it?
Sticker pack.
This is so exciting. All right.
Trying to find a good angle for this, man.
Next.
All right, show
we've
us what we got here. Yeah, perfect. You son of
Oh, I brought my own, but look at this. They give you one.
a little pry tool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Some little fuse connectors there for power, assumably. Dash cam hardwire kit. Okay. Okay, I like it. Okay.
What in the world is that, dude? It's got
says
USB-C and it's got like a,
Well,
what is it called, a spade connector or something?
This says USB-C.
Put this here. Connect this.
Power.
Yeah. So you're just gonna dangle this
Rear. We'll figure it out. We're clearly trained professionals.
Yes, oh yes. There's a bracket of some
What
kind.
is this? A little pack of Altoids?
Yeah, it looks like, exactly. What's that? Anthrax. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Oh, it looks fancy. That's another.
Oh,
like
it's a
another camera.
lens.
Ooh, a lens. Oh yeah, I think that's the Max. I got the Max lens mod or whatever, like the super lens, you know.
It's like a little.
Look, show it to them, you know. Show them.
It's like a little
Kaleidoscope.
lens filtered.
Yeah, dude. That's serious.
That's
Yeah, that's legit, dude.
That's pretty high tech. All right, real quick, let's try this filter here. We have this lens that it came with that's supposed to reduce the glare. We're gonna pop it on here and give it a shot and see what it looks like. Okay, filter is installed. This is the one it came with. This handy dandy Altoid can. The picture is much better. I don't know if you can tell in the video, it's kind of hard to see, but it's basically like a polarized lens. It's like looking through sunglasses with polarized glasses on. Everything's just much more crisp and clear and took the glare out. Like you're looking directly into the sun, but it's not blinding. Anyway, very cool. I think I'm gonna keep it on there.
That was just a
This
case
is-
for the instructions. What in the world?
This is almost more high tech than mine currently. User manual, very important.
Bracket.
A bracket, another bracket. How is this different than the other bracket?
For another camera.
What's this bracket?
It's the same,
No.
right?
Guess in case we break one, we'll screw
No,
it
for the
up.
other camera, right?
No, that's for this. I think, right?
Dude, didn't you watch a video?
Yeah.
You know, literally zero more than I know right now.
Let's figure it out. Hey, look, the videos I watched earlier did not have two brackets.
So how many cameras do we have? We have a camera that's built into that.
Look, another bracket.
Yeah, don't throw anything.
Let's see. This is, okay, I watched this in a video.
All right, yeah.
This comes with these little hooks.
Yep.
And then you hook it to your existing mirror, where you pull it off and then go all new.
You're just gonna dangle this from your existing rearview mirror?
No, it comes like little bungees and it straps to it.
Oh, okay. Well, what are you gonna do? You're gonna pull it out or you're gonna leave it in?
I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out when we get to that point. Somewhere there's probably little bungees.
Another manual. Well, I got bungee cords right there, man. There's about 40 of them. Green, blue, red, whatever color you want. Okay. Oh, look at that. Comes with corrugated tubing.
Extra bumper camera, rear camera cable. Okay.
So another camera.
Is that? Oh, that's the camera.
Yeah.
That's what I told you. User manual.
And so,
User manual.
yeah.
We need this. G900 TriPro.
Yeah, so we're gonna face all the cameras forward to get my truck, right? Just record my truck
obviously.
all the time.
Obviously.
Every angle.
Rear camera. Didn't I say rear camera?
I don't know, you keep throwing the boxes away, dude.
No.
And this table's clearly not large enough. I'm getting you the table.
There's so much room here.
There is no room there.
What is this? What is this? Who needs all of that?
Dude, you can never have enough table space, man.
Do you need help?
No. Thank you, though. There.
Okay, contents of that package.
Now this table is only for that package.
Right. In this package.
And I'll get another, no, I'll get another table for that package.
Rubber straps, see? I told you, little bungees.
And they go right around the mirror, right around the rearview mirror, so you have to look around it.
It is exactly what it does. Power supply cable with car charger. See, rubber straps, car charger. Some of those things.
All right, well,
More of
this
these
video's
things.
already way too long, so we're gonna finish unboxing and inventorying whatever we have, yeah?
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds like a good plan.
All right, so step one is remove the rearview mirror, which it looks like Datum is in the process of doing. He's disconnected the wire harness.
Yeah, wire harness is disconnected.
And then,
Set screw is removed.
and then,
Should slide up and out.
there it is. Okay,
Bam.
one of those wires is gonna have power, right?
Yeah. We'll find out.
Yeah, okay. All right,
This is clearly Stone Age technology.
yes, one button.
One button.
Amateur hour. I remember when I had a one button rearview mirror. Yeah, look how much bigger that mirror is too, dude.
Look at it.
I mean, I should make you leave the sticker on there.
I would see better out of this with the sticker,
With the sticker on, then yeah,
yeah.
100%. Oh, that's nice, man.
That is nice.
All right, let's get going. We're gonna try and find power in this rectangle here, using the red to black technology.
There's a real big one right there. I feel like that might be power. Right? And there's another one.
I can't believe it has that many plugs, wires for auto dimming mirror, and that's the only thing it does.
Yeah,
Right? Seem excessive.
it does. So here. Okay.
Nope.
And here. Oh my, yeah. I don't know if it's making contact in there.
You gotta jam it in there, dude.
I know.
Get in there nice and deep like.
That's it, boy. Get in there nice and deep like.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us.
Alright.
You look like the guy from the elevator scene from Speed. You're all wired up here.
What you gotta do is you gotta lick this.
Yeah,
thing.
lick it.
All right, so let's find some voltage here. Okay, we've got our ground.
Yeah, we got our ground.
We got our ground to connectivity
Ground technology, yeah.
technology.
Right there. Yep. All right, what we got?
We're gonna probe these holes here
Yeah.
and see if we can find some power.
Yeah.
Hole number 1, 0. Uh-oh. Oh, got a light. Hole number 2, 2. Point
That should be enough,
02.
yeah.
Okay. Hole number 3.
Okay, number 3.
Nothing.
Dude,
That was the one.
we just had it.
I don't know.
Well, which one is it? Are you sure you had the connector oriented the same way?
Yeah,
Oh, that's it. That's it.
right there.
Well, you just did 18 holes, man. You found it again. Okay, all right. So which one is it?
Right
So-
here. Green and white.
Green to white technology.
Green to white technology with a little bit of faded, almost maybe pink.
That doesn't look like green to white technology. You're on the.
Right there. This one. Fourth one in
Okay.
from the left.
Yeah.
Green
so
stripe,
if you hold the
white
connector
stripe.
upside down, it's the one in the middle. Kind of. Right.
Yeah. Slot number 4
Okay.
from the left.
Slot number 4.
Slot number 4.
All right. So we got power.
We got power.
So now we need ground.
Correct.
You need to jam that thing back in there, and we need to find ground. Unless you want to hang the wire out your door.
Hang the wire technology.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna find ground. We'll be back. We found ground. Show us ground.
We are grounded.
Nice.
Slot
Got good
number,
battery health.
Slot number.
Came in from the backside, yeah?
I did. So we got 4. It's hot.
Yeah.
Skip 2. Next one is negative.
All right. Were they the big wires like you thought?
It was
I
not.
bet the negative is probably small wire.
It is small wire.
Okay.
And
All
even
right.
the big wires,
Small wire.
really not.
Next step.
Next step, remove the little rubber covers there that would normally go against your glass. And remove clips because this is for the bungee mount, and we're not going to go that route. We're going to go with
The legit mount.
the legit mount.
Okay.
Removing.
So you took out the clippies.
Clips are removed. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
And now you're putting this backer thing in?
Good.
Yeah.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Happy anniversary.
Gosh, thank you so much. 11 years.
You guys got it.
Is it alive? Dude, what in the world is that? That's a, hold on. That's a cricket? That looks like Predator. Show Datum. He's right here.
That's a mole cricket.
No, it's not.
No, that's a stink bug. Yeah, the stink bug.
Yeah, it looks like a stink bug.
I don't think you should touch
That's
that.
huge though.
Yeah, that is not a pleasant experience.
Dude, look at this thing. Looks like a scorpion, dude. Look at this thing. You got a surprise when you open the door.
Great.
All right, what are we doing right now?
Well, this could be problematic.
What?
There's a third wire.
What do you mean?
What is this wire? Ground. We have our ground.
Yeah. Ever positive. What's yellow?
Well, B plus.
B plus.
B plus.
Where does that thing plug into? That thing released something on me.
Yeah, it's the stink bug.
I never had one stink me up though.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Okay, so what is that thing supposed to plug into? B plus.
That is what plugs into these guys. See? Ground goes to your ground, right?
All right, we'll be back. All right. So we're stripping. Oh, just drop this right down this little hole.
Good, good.
And now we're gonna hook up.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Yeah.
All right.
That's copper.
Yeah. There's our hot. That's our ground.
And we're going to hook up the WOLFBOX without the yellow B plus wire and see if it comes on its own. Because then we need to wire ignition so we don't burn your battery to the ground. Or alternatively, we'll just mount a battery right here on the dash to support the WOLFBOX. And this is the permanent installation instructions according to WOLFBOX, right?
Obviously.
Orange ceiling fan wire nuts. What are you doing now? It's not getting any power?
Power.
You were in the wrong hole?
No.
So what does this mean?
I wonder if we need to tie yellow into
red.
Into red, yeah. Hold, please. Oh, whoa. Saw that?
Yeah.
That's how you know it's good.
It almost got taken out by about half an amp of
Yeah.
energy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, see if that puts us in the money.
Wait, shut it off first. Shut the...
It shut off. It's all the way off.
It's beeping.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Rear camera. Yeah, rear camera takes 8 seconds to boot up and it's not connected.
Look at that, dude.
Huh?
Let me touch it. Dude, it is touchscreen.
I told you.
No, you told me it was not touchscreen. You told me.
Look at that.
Look at that, dude.
Look at that. Look at you looking at me. Huh?
You want me to pull my potato out?
Show you
Where is it? Yeah.
It's over here.
Yeah, look at that, dude.
You see all my air pressure from when you let my freaking
Yeah.
air out of my tires?
You didn't even fill it up all the way.
No.
Even with the third shot. Okay,
Nice.
so does that go on there? Dude, that thing is sweet. Here, touch it. Let me touch it.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, that thing is huge. That's the biggest rearview mirror I've ever seen in my entire
It
life.
is really big. It's almost as big as.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, dude.
Oh wait, it doesn't go.
What do you mean?
It's angry.
Flip it around.
Yeah, I guess it's. No, that wouldn't be right.
Oh, maybe you need the other arm. Didn't it come with an arm, or is that the arm it came with? You calling somebody right now?
Oh,
What?
I know why. Because the camera. Because it adjusts and the camera adjusts.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's
Look
recording.
at that, dude. It's recording in 4K.
It is.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, dude.
It is
Your
calling
kid is
someone.
gonna be. Your kid is gonna be in here like. I'm calling.
buttons. I need to put a child lock on you.
Look at this.
What does that do? Whoa, well look.
Whoa, dude.
dude.
Dude, look at how sick that is, man. Are you kidding me? We can literally watch like stuff that happens in front of you, like back,
like instantly.
yeah,
Like when you drive your truck off a giant
off a cliff. Yeah. If I make it back, you can show where my truck.
Look.
Oh.
I just added you to my bank,
What does that do?
if you know what I mean.
Dude,
Look, it's voice. Hey, WOLFBOX.
it's got Wi-Fi, dude.
Probably to transfer.
Look at that.
pictures.
Look at that, dude.
Look at the majestic sunset. Hold on. Let me look at look.
Oh my goodness. You put a mirror right over here.
Yeah,
To shine back
look
at you.
at me.
Yeah, take a video
Boy,
of yourself.
look at that.
All right, let's cut this for now.
All right, let's see. Full action, live action.
We just turned the ignition.
Ignition's on.
There you go.
A little delay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
At least it came on with you having to press the button.
Yeah. Okay.
Bam. All right. So
Bam.
now, and we wired red and yellow into the red, right?
Mhm.
Of the
Yep.
factory
Red and
harness.
yellow into red of the factory harness. We did not.
So
run.
now we want to make sure this shuts off when we turn the ignition off, the key off. So let's see.
I'm scared.
Really?
Oh.
There it is.
Oh.
Solid.
Money.
So we're good. Permanent installation is complete.
Just drive her home like this.
Subscribe for more of this. All right, so we've attached one spooky connector. Now we're doing one more. Attaching red and yellow together to positive. Okay, so we have tucked in the wires, including the box, up into the headliner area. You can see that, maybe?
We're all tucked.
That looks clean, dude. Solid, right?
Yeah. Let's make sure we tucked, didn't
double tuck.
undo anything, and
3, 2, 1.
looks like a 10-second delay.
It's very
Bam.
powerful, dude. There we go. I love how it does that. I'm sure you can turn that off. Beep. Like you're calling somebody.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at the size of that.
Can't do that.
Oh, you discovered it. No, that's not fun. No, let's put the thing back on for now, you know? Here, Reggie, give it a push. Dial Daddy's number, go.
555.
All right, so we've run the rear camera along the frame rail into the cab, and now we're mounting the camera onto the bracket. Oh, dude, you should get a license plate that says Datum, dude. I bet that's available. That'd be legit, wouldn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
This guy's gonna go like that somehow. Yeah.
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 We just gotta make sure we mount this thing the right way up.
Yeah. And so we will be back. All right, so we're installing the bracket. We have the camera mounted, oriented properly. Datum's adding his nuts to the backside of his license plate. Are you ready?
Yeah, you gotta stick it further more in so I can get it on there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, what's this thing, dude?
What?
What's this guy?
That's for the sticky mount that we didn't use.
Oh, for the 3M part?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, stick it in a little more. All right, I am almost on there. All right, good. Beautiful. All right, and good to go.
Onto the front camera. We need to find a spot to mount it. All right, we have fed the cable through the firewall, the last one, thankfully. And now we just need to figure out where we're gonna mount this guy. Maybe something like, flip this up and just maybe drill it into that plastic there, perhaps. That looks pretty clean, but this thing does kind of jiggle around a little bit, so I don't know, maybe you might want to put it in the bumper or something, so we'll see what he wants to do. All right, so we had to fab up the bracket a little bit. How's that look? How's it feel? Solid? What is that?
Uh-oh.
Old lady?
No.
No. The other lady?
Yeah. I like a couple of. She sounds hot.
Chris? Is that what it says? Hey, it could be Christina. What was that movie? Harold and Kumar? No, it was the other guys. Remember? It was the dude with all the facial hair who was like, I'm completely naked. He was like, Christina! Christina!
Christina! You come to our house, you get my wife's name right!
What?
Christina!
Think we're good?
Yeah, I think so. You want to
Satisfied.
Yeah. Oh, that's solid.
Yeah, that's super
Yeah.
solid.
Well, it's way more solid here than it is
Yes.
down here. You know, this is
Yeah.
floppy because there's nothing. I don't think it's secured to anything there, right? Just here.
No, it only attaches
Yeah,
the top.
exactly. So that's way better. So you
Now
want to see what it looks like?
for the grand
See what it looks like.
reveal.
Dude, you are all kitted up in here, man. Look at this. You got this big screen. You got this big screen.
The most high-tech 2012. Look at that.
Wait, is that the?
Yeah. It's a
Oh
front.
my goodness! I almost thought that was a screensaver, dude. That looks so good. Look at that, dude. Look at your MPH.
Yeah.
Oh, the GPS. That's your rear camera. And your front camera. Oh, what is this?
That's my.
Oh, you can't see because
my-
your hood's open.
Yeah, my hood's open. Oh, I guess
Oh, dude, close the hood,
go.
man. My goodness.
Goodness gracious.
Grand reveal and everything. You got something under the...
I know, I'm moving it.
Dude, that is so cool, man. You got 3 different cameras here.
How do I look? Oh, it's back there.
Wow, dude, that front camera is
Is it crisp?
Oh, how do I? Oh, that's how you do it.
Come here, Bear.
Dude, that front camera is sick.
Come here, Bear. Let's smile for the camera. Look, look, look.
Wow,
look right
dude. Oh my goodness, I'm so jealous. And I bet it's got an SD card in there because it's already recording.
Yeah, remember? Because it played back our nonsense.
Yeah. You gotta see what that SD card is. Make sure you get the maximum size one. You can play
I got
that.
a lot of SD.
Like quality ones, like UHD.
Yeah, ultra HD.
Ultra super. The one that can handle like extreme weather.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the Rockies.
Dude, look at that. Look how clear that is.
It is. I mean, I can count your blades
Oh,
of grass over
you
there.
can actually. Oh, look at Bear.
Oh,
Dude. Oh. Wow, that's such good quality, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you could also press this. I didn't know you could do that, but that's.
Oh, how about that?
Yeah. Dude, I feel like you're gonna get in a crash with all the. You're gonna have so many screens to look at right now.
Too much technology.
You can play YouTube videos here, and you can watch everything that's going on here. And I bet this it's still.
Oh, how about that?
I bet this still plays. Like it still shows camera even at like highway speed.
Oh yeah, I'm assuming.
I
so.
can't do that in my truck. I go over 8 miles an hour, and my front camera shuts off.
Oh.
And you know I'm almost always above 8 miles an hour. You know?
You?
Oh my goodness,
No.
dude, that's sick.
It is sick.
Excited?
Yeah. To go from.
Oh, you took a picture of my chair.
To go from zero to. To go
Triple
from zero
cameras,
to triple cameras, yeah.
Wow, dude.
I'm.
This is your oh, this is your reverse. Okay, if you press and hold it open, no.
I think you just gotta like, swipe through.
Yeah, so we'll see what that looks like.
Let me go to
when
the
you're
back.
driving and stuff. Yeah, scooch down. I can't see your face.
Can't see my face.
There you are.
Huh?
Yeah, looking good, man.
How do I look?
Good. I can tell that you didn't shave clean on the passenger side.
Oh, jeez. Oh, wait. It's going to get even better. We still got the screensaver on.
Oh.
Okay. Better?
Oh yeah. Wow, dude, that is crystal clear, man. Come in here. I'll go back there. Here, hold this.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna spread my bum cheeks.
Uh-oh. I'm going to take a screenshot.
How's it look?
Good. You're, yep, there you go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you might want to pitch it up a little bit then. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'll know more when I drive down the road.
Yeah, because you're not gonna see people behind you unless you're well, I don't know. You'll see.
Yeah, it's hard to tell
You can
from
play
the
with it.
driveway.
Sweet. Let's
This
wrap
is-
it up, man.
This is sick.
You like it?
Yeah.
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 That's sick, man.
It is. I'm pretty excited about
Yeah.
it. I'm looking forward to
You can call home from this thing.
giving it a whirl this week.
Dude, you got, yeah.
Oh, and GPS tucked up here.
Oh, yeah,
nice,
look at that.
nice and clean.
That's cleaner than this thing,
Yeah,
which you claim is factory.
it is.
There's no way, dude. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Could you,
I-
tie them together? So you get rid of the walkie-talkie or whatever you have going on up here?
No.
You don't want to mess around with that. Okay. All right, well, that's a wrap. We're going to test it out this weekend at Morris Mountain and hopefully get a discount for you guys. Maybe in the description.
Abo!
All right. Game over. Discount description below. Where is it? Where is it? Say it below. Say it below. Okay. Reggie, say below. Okay, cool. Say below.
Above.
Above.
10 seconds.